Do you sneeze or cough in your hands, elbow or tissue paper? When a person sneezes or coughs, hundreds of microdroplets containing contagious germs disperse into the air. These viruses can travel as far as 8 meters and stay suspended in the air for up to 10 minutes. These viruses infect humans through inhaling and contact. Genus introduces G99 Sneeze Safely handkerchief empowered with Swiss technology, rendering protection to user from viral infection, bacteria and other germs including coronavirus and SARS-CoV-2 causing COVID-19. It is an antivirus, anti-allergen product tested and proven effective at a reputed USA lab and prestigious Australian institute. It has silver ions and vesicles provide, which destroys viruses, bacteria and germs and coronavirus upon contact with the fabric.
We can get many respiratory diseases while breathing. As per the research, during any epidemic year, this respiratory-borne infections can increase by about 25 to 30%. This genus G99 Sneeze Safely handkerchief has been basically designed to protect you and your loved ones from the various respiratory virus droplet infections. The purpose is that you cover your mouth with this handkerchief while you are sneezing or coughing so that you do not spread these respiratory droplets to your loved ones around. Besides that, even if the other person is not covering, you can cover your mouth with this handkerchief and it will protect you against the various respiratory droplet infections. This genus G99 handkerchief has been tested and designed in various laboratories where they have seen that it is protective against various enveloped viruses like the influenza, swine flu, even the common cold which is prevalent every season with us. It has also been tested against coronavirus causing COVID-19 and has been found to be very effective. As a doctor, I do travel various places, I go to visit patients and number of patients come to my clinic and I really feel very safe using this G99 handkerchief with me all the time.
G99 handkerchief has quick dry technology to absorb all the moisture and sweat. It's far ahead of normal fabric handkerchief and paper napkins. G99 handkerchief is machine washable and reusable for up to 50 times for antiviral efficacy with the same effectiveness, environment friendly and premium soft fabric. Genus G99 antivirus handkerchief, specially designed to protect you and your loved ones. Be sure, be safe.